The two things coming down the tornado?
It looks like a water spout.
A water spout?
Something.
We hope it's a water spout.
Yeah.
A tornado. If not, we're all just...
Stalactite, right?
Hey, oh look, there's a tornado. I get comfortable. I'm gonna videotape the tornado. It's getting bigger. I don't know. Should we go home?
Look up there. Look up there, but don't. Look up there, but don't stick. What?
Tornado Michael. Tornado Michael. Careful.
What do you want to do?
Careful there, baby.
You know what? You should pull. Pull on. Now you know who I'm gonna call her? Mary. What?
Oh, lightning. Maybe we should go home. You see the tornado, Michael? You see the tornado? Look, there's a tornado. Yeah. It's getting bigger, isn't it? Yeah, the tornado goes round and around and around and around. Oh, stand up. Yeah. Oh, lightning. Oh boy. That one got bigger. Fish? Michael! Michael! Come over here! Helicopter. That's a helicopter. Yes. Helicopter, yes. Maybe the helicopter has a good view of the tornado. What is that, huh? It's almost gone.
I don't see the plane. I think the plane
You coming down? It's almost gone. Oh, you okay? Michael, no, don't put your mouth on that. Gigi, yuck. That's right, yuck. Don't put your mouth on anything. Oh, you learned that from Ava, didn't you? That's very good. You have strong arms. Watch where you're going. Thank you. Michael, on one slide.